sentire. Okay, now you can hear me. Hello, absolute cinema. Hello everyone, I'm BerserkVerse and welcome in this new live stream. And today we're gonna draw TBKDX characters. It's gonna be not so much like, it's been a while that I'm not doing a live stream, not gonna lie. Just testing here. Okay, it's clear, overall audible. I mean, I did some tests before, but you may never know. Just testing a bit more, just in case, you may never know. Dove sta ragazzo me la posso mettere? Ma la bottiglia, guarda. Sì, e poi quando c'ho da bere non bevo. Sto a secco. Scusa, no? Questo. Così. Utile. Pretty useful. Alright. Let's put this away. Hello again. Let's see all the people here. Hello, Sandy. Hello, East Dodger. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome here, folks. First live on TBKDX, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is. Yep. Basically, for the silly people that never saw what kind of thing is TBKDX, which is actually pretty understandable since if you're outside from the Berserk Fire, TBKDX is pretty unknown. Spelled as Dodger. Of course it is, silly. Alright, so I'm gonna give you some news about it. Open. Yes. Alright. I think, yeah, so basically this is the first live streaming that I have direct contact. Oh, I'm looking here since the camera is here, you're silly. Basically, I have a direct contact with all of you and people interested here. At least people can understand better what is this project, because the only updates that you actually have is basically in my website. Project Berserk Fire. Here it is. So basically the only tiny line of updates that you have is basically this one. The BerserkVerse DeX official bot. TBKDX is our official collectibles car system built to the community for the community. Catch rate of all the characters in from the BerserkVerse, each their own rarity, lore, and fire-based power. For sure I could, but 20 rarities, including 20 is a rarity level, so it's more complicated than that. It's much more peculiar, this bot. Am I gonna say, so this is the usual inspired BerserkDeX bot that is common to see in other Discord server that the Plutoverse kind of have? No. I mean, it might seem, but it's not the case. And here's why. The BerserkVerse DeX, TBKDX for short, is always a living DeX for the Berserk Fire universe. For the Berserk Fire universe, the bot randomly spawn characters with different rarities, and players can try to catch them using correct commands and interaction buttons. That's basically, for the one who doesn't know Discord, basically the social media, like, I don't know, more like it's more like similar to the WhatsApp or Messengers or to Telegram, something like that. And this social media has some sort of buttons you can interact with when something happens. So nothing much, nothing less, just interaction buttons. That's not what I call it. But it's not the point. Every successful catch adds that card to your inventory, where you can manage copies, check rarities, and progress through the combination system to unlock more valuable cards. All mechanics, spawn logic, rarities, emoji, and card art are original and built specifically to TBKDX, making it a unique standalone project within the community. On a technical level, TBKDX is inspired by the structural idea of card collection bots as BerserkVerse DeX, but it's not the exact bot because it's built from zero in JavaScript, and all the BerserkVerse DeX bot are inspired from Python. So like, we can call it Puppet bots. I think we can. Yes, let's call it Puppet bots. And there's nothing much more details. It's like two pairs. It's like secondary bots. There is big actual bots like BerserkVerse DeX and TBKDX, and then secondary bots that came from the source code of BerserkVerse DeX. And TBKDX doesn't come from this. Easy. The entire architecture is built from zero in JavaScript, Node.js, Discord.js, and other stuff, technical stuff that I won't explain because it's so much too complicated to explain. And TBKDX knows, it's based on Python, another language program. This makes TBKDX an independent, original, full custom coded project optimized the needs of the specified community. Okay, this is basically what TBKDX is. What does he do in particular? Let's just go into the practice. Basically, in Bull's Garden, every roughly 30 minutes, yes, precisely 30 minutes, a character appears in this ambient. So basically, you have some sort of tip. You have the first letter, last letter, first letter, last letter, and the total amount of the letters that this character have. You have to select this, to click this button. This message will appear. People have to guess their names, and here we are. The bot will generate the cards. Now, in recent updates, this bot had a lot of interesting aspects because of the fact that this bot has something like, I can't wait, I'm silly. Okay, just do something like this. Also having lores. Yes, this bot have lores. Where is it? Okay. I have no idea how many commands there are. No. Madonna. A moment. Here I am. Okay. Or good. Just select it. Okay. Oh. Okay. File Explorer. Okay, finally. Alright. 46 commands. Yes, this bot had 46 commands, which is basically about achievements. Yes, achievements are basically getting specific card. That's what achievements are. Adding card for basically, because TBKDX has also a inbuilt thing where you can set a TBK moderator role, and you can help to manage TBKDX, adding card, removing card, and something like that. Not big much, just 3 more commands, something like that. But nothing so much extraordinary, but at least it can help with managing TBKDX, just in case, I don't know. So yeah, it's also a kind of some sort of moderation bot. It's not a big deal. It's like also weekly, basically cycling commands that you can do daily, weekly, and monthly. And you can award specific characters, random characters of specific rarities. Also, rarities are a very big deal in different parts because they have a lot to explain. Where is it? The trivia aspect. Here it is. Because if you ask me how many files the bot has, If I have to add all this, I have to stay careful. Nah, there's too much things. It's too much things complicated. Because yes, coding is pretty much complex, as you might expect it. And there's a lot of files. So, have fun. So 46 files for command and such. There's a lot of it. And also other, probably the commands folder is the most crowded. 46 commands. Also, oh, hello Mazureki, welcome to the live stream. And I don't want to go too much in the details about the structural and coding level, because I want to focus on this live stream about more on the character aspect, and together we will draw more characters, and at least you can see what I do for drawing characters and adding them into TBKDX into details. It's a pretty complex process. It's boring, depends on when you see it. If you enjoy it, you won't be bored. Also, recently in these new updates of, because yes, I constantly update TBKDX, and basically if you're asking me why we are making not so many videos about anything, it's because when I cannot do videos, I'm on Discord when I can, and doing updates of my bots. And one of these is basically generating the card, which is from the first moment. This ambient here, which, if I don't say something wrong, the server, which one it was? This one. Let's see. It's this one. Okay. Okay, yes, I'm basically bringing you from where it all started. Above. A moment. Okay, we are close. We're definitely close. And oh. Okay, we're there. All of this just for exploring when TBKDX board, basically. Oh, but at least I cut in this in camera, at least. Hey, look, I made a TBKDX from. Okay. No. Stuff. Okay, no. Because this has a lot of interesting stuff. Alright, here. Because it's a. No, this is 22 April. I think it's unnecessary at this point. We are there. We are there. We are almost there. Okay. Okay. Why can't they just the next time pin the first message and that's it? Oh, Jesus. Okay. 15 April. April 15, April 14. Okay, this is when things are starting to work step by step. This is basically the beta version moment. As you can see here, the previous inventory. Also, hi, yes, welcome to this live stream. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Very good. TBKDX when basically started to born. Here we are. This silly folk. Slowly, this bot started to do something. Let's see. Just testing the first card here. Just the hard card. Testing. Slowly testing. Move card didn't work. Other card. The configurations here. All right, and this is basically the first time that I make. Yes. Look how much was different. The first generated card from TBKDX. This is so awesome. It was the April 14. Then the inventory started to form slowly. The community. It was only the community and the project, and just the character name, which the character, the rarity, community, and project. Then slowly added more and more things. A stellar, different rarities. Okay, that was just testing. It just was testing more. Then I added spawn probability. The more and more stuff. Just still testing phase, of course, guys. What would you expect? It's testing. Slowly. Aha. This is when I added the completion command. Because when I remember that when I tried to do the completion thing, I was asking to myself, how do I put multiple icons in the ambient message? And for a very long while I said, let's not put icons where they should be now. They just say let's just put icons as a secondary thing, like in the where is it? Not yet. Like now, like in the, if you do commit TBKDX, was influenced instead of carding. But still, basically at the header, you have the icon here, something like that. And now the emoji, I made multiple steps to me because they weren't images, they were emojis, which is a bit different. And so this is the thing, so something very kind of silly. And this, of course, was testing. The first time that the TBKDX, because always something went wrong about the catch. Don't remember what was though. It was testing. Also then added more different things, which also these values are also changed. I'm gonna explain you afterwards. But how many? Oh my gosh. It's not really TBKDX server, it's just backup server of my server. This is just BK Fire. Don't worry about that. This is not all TBKDX, just testing BK Fire server. Reason? I don't know, just so. Look how much different it was. Oh my gosh. Testing, something went wrong, something wrong. It was testing every time. Basically now the first because like okay, now the guest thing actually came in for the save. It's kind of silly because You have to guess the name, but you don't have to see the complete name. That's just gonna be silly to understand it. It's hint. Count, but something went wrong. And I think this is the first catch, proper catch, with TBKDX spawn. And moments of my joy. Okay, this is still testing. Yeah, I think afterwards it got it properly. So yeah. So yeah, basically this one. This is the first catch. A BerserK common. And as you can see, as you can see, the spawn thing changed drastically. You have this, and then if I go now to the current server, where is it? Okay, that's all what it has now. Just a very complete different story. Aha, here it is. So much. It's evolution of the bots. I love that. Just love that. And then basically now it's spawned properly. I don't want to go in the details of moving and continuing moving on. So I'll just show you the evolution of the bot card design. So you have this. Also because I was doing tiny micro updates on the card generator, and if I do the same thing, it was a plural common. Let me see. A plural common, right? TBKDX card info. Common. I say it's the same card. No, it's not. Like, I have a overall update of the thing. Chocolatino, like a friend told me, like Piace told me. So I now I'm with card info, because like, as you can see now, the card info is much more detailed, the custom emoji, something like that, and move, and so on. So I have a lot of things. Own copies, how many copies do I have? The actual character chance, with this actually changed recently. Because initially it showed not this, but a different one. How can I explain it? It was showing us a different thing. Now it shows the actual dynamic thing. I mean, this is not really dynamic because the standard rarity chance won't change, and it was always like that. Thanks the build management of the bot. Something that will change though is this one, this quantity. Basically, this total number, it basically represents the summatory of all the characters' probability that are inside of the bot right now. So basically, if I just go just a week before, it was already different. Was it? I think it is. Yes. No, not here. I don't need to go too much in the past. I just added 10 characters recently. Not kidding, I still not have added them. Oh, also, it's a thing. Also, I'm gonna say, wait, is that plural reprisal? Yes, it is. Did DG agree to doing this? I mean, in theory, without in theory, in practice, this bot was meant to represent PR characters in collaboration with TBH. But, you know, stuff happened and they all suck. Hey, it's kind of offensive. No, it's not. It's actually pretty gentle to sing this. So, still, don't mind of that. Now, let's do what actually we have to do. Basically, drawing the character of TBKDX. And this is what I do. This is not really an asset. I made it from zero. Basically, it's the every element. And I can actually show you. Okay. Yeah, let's go step by step. What I have is they have this on the circle with a gradient, light one and a darker one, and I use not like same hue or tonality. Can we say tonality? I don't think so. So hue, different hue, more for the orange. Like I have in the arts on my channel there is a graphical chart on how you can do better specific color gradients to make it more cartoonish. I have this, then this is the okay. You can let me just deactivate. Okay, the light glow, the light reflection. Well, a character exactly. Then we have the atmosphere, the inner glow of the atmosphere, the shade, which is also at a color. This one has a color, the color, because many people say, black radiance. No, it sucks. No, it doesn't. It's not. It's not. Correct and such. So I got forced to make them more colored, and then people switch back to black gradients role, black shading colors, because they say now it's realism, and the realism can suck my balls. Says easily, I don't care. That's what I think. Also, sorry if I was too much direct, but is that what it is? I do my own style, don't fucking care. Okay, basically this part is not how can I explain it? Basically, if I just do this, it seems that something is missing here. It's kind of bland. I don't know how can I explain it. Like there's something to it looks weird. That's it. It looks weird. So I had this some sort of gradient from where the light starts until it fades until the shade, to make it more like dusty, like more. Not really. I mean, also in. Sto ragazzo ve lo spiego. Just to make it cooler. It has a reason, but I cannot explain it. I'm sorry. I just added this gradient to make it more natural. Like it having more light spreaded instead of being a just faint block that starts here and it doesn't work. It's just like here you had this and it's more realistic, cartoonish, but at the same time realistic. And then also this, just in case, this is nothing much as the color, just for not making it transparent, and of course the atmosphere. And you have the entire planet. Also about the shade, I also try to be some sort of realistic with the sunset and sunrise. Reason, I just like it. Just give me more colors. It's not all blind after all. Because realistic people, if you look at the sky, you can see that it's not very detailed, but you can notice some sort of tricks of tiny reds, and that's the sunset. Thank you. And so that's the planet's final shape. I just added a texture, which I usually take from the TBKS2 ones, but then I recolor it. I just fix them and transform them according to the way I prefer. And once done, this first process for adding a planet, I add the eyes. And the eyes are, I mean, silly, because most of the time I just say, you know what, let's start from a dot, then let's say this is a boy or man. This is a boy. I'm Psycho. He's a boy. Then I'll tell you more about this character, and say, hey, wait, we're never appeared in TBKS because let's go with the eyes and then we'll explain you everything. Don't worry. So let's do it's a male, so some sort of rocky shape, so octagon. Let's do something like this. I have to stay careful because the tracks here are kind of silly. Yeah, that could work. Just for testing here. Okay, if you have any question, guys, just don't hesitate to ask me. I will free to tell you more about this bot if you need. Okay, just something like that here. Basically, every character is inspired from a real life person, so that's why I don't go too much wild on character design. I mean, I can time to time, but they represent people, so I don't want to go too much in the details. Yeah, just a random shape that I'm sort of satisfied with. Let me concentrate because. Yeah, just something cracky like this. Okay, it's already something better. Satisfied now. Okay. Follow what I do. If you want, of course. So basically I do maschera di ritaglio. How the heck is it supposed to be in English? Clippy mask, if we can call it in that way. But a clippy mask, how does it work? You put a shape, you put a bigger shape, you put a smaller shape in front of the bigger shape. You do this clipping thing, and the bigger shape will be cut precisely according to the smaller shape. If this makes sense. But still, just follow what it does. So, orange planet, go for will be. It's a boy, so I want to. Let's go with these details. Alright, let me just fix them a bit. No, just this should be fine. But I have the problem that made my look female, so I have to be. No. Let me just add them at the bottom of this. Let's try now. Opa. Alright. X fixed. Okay, yeah. Alright, something very different. So then, of course, this is only color plain. So let's add some gradients. Okay, let's fix them. And let's go this way. So let's get with the allow and just give me the time to green eyes may not be cool, so let's purple and then goes with the red one and purple. Yes. Alright, okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, okay. And you have an eye. Blank eye. So now the pupils, I kind of do some sort of similar approach. Just do... I start from a simple shape and I try to build it something. And nothing much. Yeah. Okay. There you go. I'll just... Yeah. Opa. Stay there. Okay. And there you have it. That's so easy. Kinda, not always. Giveaways, nothing much. Yeah, now right now in the community there are giveaways. No, they already. Yes, they're already over. So see you in the next month, folks, for the for the giveaways. Let's add some new. What if I add like okay. There I went more interesting with the vehicle. Okay, okay. I'm satisfied. No. Oops, silly moment, I'm sorry. Okay. Eyebrows, because why not? Alright. And that's how I made a character. The end of the video now. I'm gonna do multiple characters for this evening. I'll try my best. But yeah, usually I spend most of the time here because it's kinda complicated. It's a very long process for making an entire new character for TBKDX, because then after the spawn art, remember there are other stuff, because this art will appear only when the character actually spawns. So basically something like this, or something like this. So that's the spawn art. The one that we did is the art that will go in this tiny square of the ambient. Then now we're gonna do the card art, which is basically this one. And then I'm also talking about something. Oh, it's not it. Okay. Then we'll talk about something a little bit about this craftable character in particular. I'll reach this part, don't worry. Oh. People don't pin me in the arts, in the live stream. Okay, so let's copy the eyes and make a very simplistic design. So I'm afraid of this. Move it. No, too much part. Oh goodness. This part will be deleted. Okay. And replace it with something more red. Yes, red. Oh, I got that, so. Okay. By the way, since those are very heavy files, might crash. Not the live stream on its own, but like Illustrator might crash. Okay, so also let's see how the filter on this one. This much shaded. Very good. Very, very good. For simplistic. Just add an orange here. Okay. No. No. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, and then now after the icon, we do the card art. Oh yeah. Okay. Just in the background, the background of the art cards basically represent some items or some, no, not items, like they are some characters, they are somewhat connected with, and this character is connected basically with overall Eddie. And if I want to add it, yes, I can also add Sedner. It's in the trigger system pocket field. Okay. It's the banner of TBKDX that I recently made. Okay, very good. Okay. and you put everything here, and this one here. Then the heart of heart, I just replace, fix a bit. I tend to have try to have not too much different design from cards and character. Like they have a project, they tend to have that specific quality, that specific kind of design and quality. They have a different project, they have a different quality. But overall, I try to be more balanced as much as possible. It's not possible because some characters are much complicated, some more characters I decide to represent more easily or simplify them. And it's a lot of mix that you can do, trick and stuff. It's a silly, indeed it's a silly. That thing honestly triggers me not too much, a lot. So let me check. I know my PC is so smooth 0 because for a simple reason. Let's promote this. Do it. Do it. Do it. Should do it. Basically, if my PC is so. Okay, yes. If my PC is so fast, it's because they're all silly. It is. Sorry about. So let's focus on yeah, a bit more abstractionist character. Let's now it's a little bit complicated doing. Okay, but just start something like that. Is character worried about Sadmat? Okay. No. Sorry. This is a little more. Kinda. I could kinda work. Now let's just something. Okay. I was looking down at something like mark as something as someone is thinking. Okay. See, it's kind of bland. I know it is. It's kind of big. It is. Not gonna lie. And then I have to take the icon details, copy them, and making them more detailed. Not too much, but just a bit. Size them. No. nicer color then. Okay. Alright, I can go. Change the outline. Ah, wrong outline. We are 6 people. Don't forget to subscribe, put a like, and do everything you need. More we are, and more characters will be added. Maybe the next one can be you. And I'm not kidding, because the latest video, the latest musical video, was some project that I made, and I was honestly proud of it. Is it controversial? Yeah, but only because the popular side did something silly, and they doesn't want to take the responsibility. Just make myself as a self-win, not really, but in theory, yes. Alright. Now, I'm satisfied. Alright. Now what am I gonna say? Well, now this will get interesting. I saved the card, as usual, nothing much, nothing new, nothing extraordinary here. Just not all basic and nothing. Okay, TBKDX. Yes? Oh yeah. Alright. And I'm secret. I don't take every table. Just take the one that I need, so the only 2. Alright. Icon. Spawn. They must be in this way. They must be in this way. Basically, why I did this kind of weird export thing, because TBKDX when building cards, if it load appreciated, we'll say that this PC is not really. It can get very silly sometimes. Alright. So basically I did this weird export for a very simple reason. Because if I do this, let's say this, that's what it does. It shows where it basically matches perfectly as a puzzle game. Like TBKDX, for making cards, I am not the one who assemble every single possible combination, else I will go not crazy, but I will probably die, or even more, not even doing the 1% of the complete thing. And here's the reason, because if it's written for a reason, like if I do TBKDX about someone might can honestly say, so wait, this user have dropped 17,000 possible cards? No. And here's where the mechanical part, structural part, TBKDX comes in. I did single specific elements here. I do the characters in the way you already saw it. And then on the other side, I do, follow me, I do the card outline, this one, the card structure, and basically it shows the community that the characters belong. Red is the BK fire, of course it depends, it can be breed, it can be dark red, it can be difficult and more colors, but for having a more detailed structure, I also matched them their logo. So when you see this, basically this one with this one, you automatically know that this plus this equals the card, a character that belongs to a Berserk Fire community project. And also, why the weird style, why the weird place is not just full complete square? Simple. Because of, you guessed it, also this one affects the structure of the card, because the card only, the bottom doesn't do reshaping, if we can call them in this specific way. Now you can't see it, but let's just add this. Okay. Again. Here. And it matches perfectly. Ignore that this design, it's different because I made way big improvements on the card arts. I say, you know, this is kind of lame and boring, this design, so let's mod this. Let's add this. Let's add more details, more futuristic details about. Alright, and now I'm gonna say, okay, but you have the character, you have the logo of the community, you have the card structure, but the background of the card, that is also the last, not really the last, but another element, and there are all of them, 50 different elements, which are, you guessed it, the rarities. Every rarities has, or this thing, statistic bar, no, how do I even call it this? Well, this thing, this graph, this chart, and it shows what kind of rarity is that without saying it really, the name. Just say, oh, I don't have to remember the specific name of the... I don't have to remember the specific name of the rarity. I just have to see this and so how much rare is this rarity. If you have like, they are 20, those are 20. If you don't believe in, just count them. And they say, oh, it's 19/20, seems a lot, and yeah, it's pretty rare, this character. And then also this, the events one, is also written here, the events, the icon of the events, and just nothing much. Happy birthday is basically Berserk is basically my birthday. Yes, I added, in this bot, I added basically the event as a event rarity that occurs only on, basically on my birthday. Is it silly? It is, but I don't care. I mean, it's my bot. I can do everything I want. And since I represent this bot, represent my community, why should I represent the anniversary of my community and also my birthday? I know it sounds silly and selfish, but it has my name on it, so I can do basically whatever I want. The birthday. The common card is equal from 1 to 20. And such. Different gradients, different aspect. The card basically evolves. So, you put everything together, so like the rarity background, the character art, the logo, the background structure, until you have a TBKDX card. No resize, because since I solved that resizing, like bots can resize image.
Mi dispiace, ma non sono in grado di farlo.
No, ma non ti volevo dire niente, lascia stare. People can... Ma vaffanculo. Anyways, that's how you made a character, that's it. The size of the card is a 900 times 600, so non mi torna, 900, 600, really? 600 times 900, so 2/3. Yeah, 2/3. A 69th and 2/3. That's what it is. Let me just remove this, just copy save, and that's it. Alright. Now let's add another character. I'll try to do 5 characters. I have a predefined list here. Alright. Here we have American Vanilla, Deformed Sunsets, Camsico. Then we have Sanisk. Sunsick. Oh Jesus. Sunsick. I went wild with names. Mirken. Venilo. And now you might gonna say, wait, who are these characters? I never heard of them. Well, there's an important part of the story. TBKDX will replace FNF. Yes. I take the decision. So, no more Friday Night Funky rap battles and such, because the one that you see in TBKS 1 and TBKS 2 are just 2 tiny chapters of a almost infinite endless.
Questo è quello che ho
Ma
trovato.
porca madonna. Zitta! It's a endless iceberg, the one of the BerserkVerse. And TBKS is just one single story. And I'm honestly proud of it. No FNF mods, FNF original mods of eventual, potentially not so probably dwarf planets, if you know what I mean. Probably someone took my line about it. Yes, indeed they did. Oh. Indeed they did. But I don't care. No. Okay. Alright, have all the 10 characters? Yes, indeed I do. Okay. That was there saying 30. Wait, what? I did wrong calculation. No, it's just this 3 character that it has to go. I'm sequel. Alright. Let's do Anubis. Because I'm sure you're gonna love them. Because it's that character that I actually also heard about in TBKS 2. And Candegina mentioned it. If you don't believe me, here is the quote of Candegina saying that character, mentioning that character. You don't trust me? You never trust me. I'm kidding. Of course you guys do. Let's ignore the feed. Where is it? Here. Ole. Aha! Hey. Told you. Anubis. So, follow me. Because this character is interesting. At least I can tell you something more about this character. Anubis, it's a star. But not the typical star that you might be, that you might seem. Am I able to open Space Engine without the stream crash? Because people say, oh, you have a very fluid PC. No, I don't. I mean, I kind of have, but the graphic cards here is 3 years old. Yeah. Yes, 3 years old. 3 years old, something like that. It's a 3060 RTX 3060 Ti. No, not Ti. OC. Totally locked. Overclocked. Non totally la madonna puttana. It's a tired. Sorry, it's Saturday also for myself. I also bought some games. It was it was good. Steam did some extreme discounts of like 80-90%. So these 3 games cost me about $5 in total. I'm not kidding. Like this game was costing like 90 cents. No, this one 90 cents. This something 1 and 20, and this a little bit more with DLC. It's crazy. A shopping maniac. No, I just took the advantage of this discount, and so I bought them. I will eventually play them. Time to time I also play them. Time, kinda. Not everyone. But I have a lot of games, so... Don't worry, we will do also live stream games. We can do it all together, friends or not. And we just play. Because I know you're gonna love them. So... Space Engine. If it crash, we'll see another time. But I don't think it will crash. It probably will. No, I don't think so. Oh, my PC is gonna explode, eh? Wait, can you hear me at least? Okay, yes, you can. People can. Just put the like. We were 4. We were 6. Why? Silly. Let's reduce the audio. The Space Engine, it's time because it's kinda heavy as a game. So procedural game, I know it is, but since it's a technical, almost infinite game, on a mathematical infinite game, it's not really mathematical infinite because I'm sure there is a limit about it. Oh, the limit of the universe. Have fun understanding which is the limit on the universe. I won't stay for too long. Ciao Mary. Hello Mary. Put a like, subscribe. No, sì, ti subscribe. Ti sei già iscritta dall'avanti Cristo. Come on, Space Engine. You can do this. I'm sure you can do this. Why I'm showing you this? Because it's kind of important to understanding what characters that was supposed to be in TBKS 3. Yes. While I was cooking for TBKS 2, at the same time I was cooking some characters for TBKS 3. And almost they were completed. But then all of this happens, I found TBKDX and said, wait a minute, Space Engine. I'm gonna be put on the further because further away because I have to think of something else. Something more important. So we have Space Engine, graduated. It will explode, indeed will explode. No. It's still stable. I'm doing good. See. I'm doing good, Mary. Thanks for asking. How about you? And this is Heartlot. You see, woo, who are you? It's a big boy. It's a big boy. It's a very big boy. Okay, so this is ink. There are all the stars here. There are stars. Yes, there are stars. And this is Hilaris. And you might solve it. Is your cam glitching? Yes, it does. Don't ask me why. And this is Anubis. Just for the sake of the comparison. This is Ultor. This is a F8. Yeah, it's a hyper giant. Luminous super giant. And this is a red giant. I just wanted to say now, let's not go too much large according to the ink scale, which is no, it's not that so small ink. It's a I know that's the same what 13.08 astronomical units. So basically, this object is the size of a hypergiant. No. Oh yes. Big supergiant. Something like that. Take it or leave it. This is a orange giant. This is a white super luminous giant. So this is very, very, very bright. Then there is Ultor. Like from here to here. I know you wanted to say, wait, who is this character? But you won't see it. At least as an FNF mod. Because the one who helped me with TBKS, they also helped me to... No, not helping me. Like, they contribute to destroy it. Guys, if people sucks, is not my fault. So we have Ultor, Dragon Soul, Audax, Ignidus. That's a new star that you probably didn't still heard about. It's it's a star. It's a star. Joking. This star was supposed to be the one of the new generation of the Berserk Fire. Kitsch. Then there is Inkstar, yes. So you might gonna say, wait, so Inkstar, so this star was this, became this? Exactly. Well, this star, exactly. So we have Nexum, that amazing piece of shit. Radiver. No! Bestemmioni. Scendati. No, interesting. They could do that. Audax, Nalidus, Igstar, Nexum. I was preparing TBKS 3 on Space Engine. But the story will continue. I don't fucking care. So, Radiver, it's a very amazing piece of shit. And it's also based on a real life person. No, it's not TDH. It's a community that came right after TDH. We have Your Love, Mary. We have Phoenix. Now, okay. Let's talk about something. I was thinking. TDH. I look like directly to you. I talk like directly to you. I don't see magenta in here. Fuck off. Ah, this is myself. Eddie. This is me. This is Atlat. Oh my love, motherfuckers. This is Mendasium. Ah, yes, the Mendasium system. Oh mamma BK. Ciao Pia. faccio cose molto belle. What is Ignalidus? Dodger, it was TBKS 3. Italians have joined the battle. Mendasio. And then the usual characters that you are all familiar with. Spoiler. Spoiler. This will betray the Dragon Soul system. They will betray the Dragon Soul system. Don't worry, folks. Hail, no, hell, bloody hell. Cazzo! Imbecille. No, scherzo. Allora, poi abbiamo Franco e Forco. No. Franco, which is TBKS 3 character, TBKS 3 character. Oh! Modix. Again, TDH. Is this a purple? No! Is this a magenta? No, it's... let's assume that it's red. You see this tiny glow here. Here. It's red. Dio cane. Sono d'accordo con te. Lindsay. Che multicolor. No, non è cioè sì, è multicolor. Però per questa è la TDH. Questo dice sì, nana bruna e viola. Sì, se la guardi sotto sopra con delle orecchie sì, nelle orecchie nell'occhio. Delle carote nell'occhio, allora sì, forse è viola. O via. Press non si dicono queste blasfemie. No, no. Forse. Non sarebbe male. So, Lindsay. Oh, look who goes here. Someone might remember this character. It's already in TBKDX. If you know what I mean. Another TBKS 3 character. Bad guy of TBKS 3. Painful Love. I don't even know why I added this character, but now I might have a reason to have it. So I'm actually proud of adding it in TBKS 2. Despite not having a song about Cosmera, Cosmos, Cosmimax, or whatever you're called. Don't worry, I will cook something about this. Sonics! That amazing person. No, zio, sto facendo una pausetta studio altro che dormire. Sì, arriva. Eccolo, ecco, parli di piace e spuntano le corna, e spuntano i pianeti. Fa come sei bello. Ciruzzo, Biga, Samo, io. Ok, hanno aggiornato la lava. Bada bella la meatball. È molto molto bella, è audace, anche grossa. Suona molto male, Suona molto male, però andiamo avanti. Samu, io, BZ, fantastico BZ, Fede, Dennis, Matti, TBKS 3 characters, TBKS 3 characters, Best, TBKS 3 characters, Angie, the one that Mary loves the most. TBKS 3 characters, Mary sister, Planets have sister, not balls have sister. Quanti doppi sei? Lo so. Oh, bellina, guarda lì, c'è una tempesta che ha forma di cuore. Sì, però Sama non è la più adatta per fare cuori, TBKS 3 characters, Dark, Shred, Mary, Alex, Painful Love, la vera Painful Love, Amone da will betray DSS, Restallion, HP, Seruzzo Moon, yes, just canonically Seruzzo Moon, Detonator's Moon, Bad Guy of TBKS 3, Ely, ok. So TBKS 3 cat? Sì, I mean, no. Heal is TBKS 2. Heal is TBKS 2. Don't get me wrong. Guardate la mia palla. E suona molto male considerando che sei una femmina. Andiamo avanti. Let's move on. Repex. If you know who is this guy, TBKS3, you guess it. Luca. A Moon that will betray the DSS. Rangerus Moon. Davide. Skeleton. Poino. A Moon that will betray the DSS. A Moon that will betray the DSS. Not a Moon that will betray the DSS because this is not a Moon, this is Bleach, Candigina. A Moon that will betray the DSS. Ok. Suona un moccoli, what the fuck? C'ho una moto in casa. I have a motorbike in this house. What the fuck is this going on? Cassio. A Moon that will betray the DSS. No, sorry. Oh. 3370. 3380. Because it has a blackness. Or blackness. Has a blackness, this character. Or blackness. What is that? I accidentally made two characters of the same size. But anyways, let's move on. Dust. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the design a bit complicated a bit, might change over the time. No. Yes. Painful Love character. A Moon that will betray the DSS. Clary. A very nice, interesting ring. Oh, poor Sedner. He didn't deserve all of this. The 1000 item model says a bad place. Never join of them. Crazer. Ignore the names because like character got changed so much over the time, so I'm sorry. Eva. Serbian World Dictionaries. Or TBKS 3 characters. Squadron. Nothing much. Just Squadron. It's Helica. Helicopter. Yara. Tommy. Pleller. Drapling. A Moon that will betray not the Dragon Soul System, but it's a planet. Slinky. This is the Moon of Slinky. And boy, I honestly have realized that why do I have to make FNF mods when I have a TBKDX with commands, character design, character description, that I can do an entire multiple lores about it? Io la lingua di non morti, exactly. Jake, il piccolo Jake, fantastico. Vietnam. Red mi ammazzerà. Red lo so che mi odi dato che ho fatto la carta del tuo pianeta con questa piccola luna. Certo, non analizziamo il fatto che Red è grosso così e questa luna è grossa così. Non andiamo nei dettagli perché Mary, l'age gap nella Berserk Fire è abbastanza, diciamo, una cosa normale, ma a quanto pare non è così normale in altri punti. Ad ogni modo, Coz, Carol, fantastiche piccoli. Oh, you, I mean not you, but the one before you. Saulo, sei un pezzo di merda, lo sai. Do you know? Guess who's not in the Epstein? Io. Sapple. The interplanetary comics. Interplanetary comics, yes, interstellar comics. My big self. Esatto. Io. My big self. Fantastico. Ah, ok. Moon of sì, sto cazzo. Sonics. Ah, la piccola Solfleri. Sicuro li hai letti per dirlo? Capace c'è Nexus. E dici. Sì, La telecamera che glitcha non lo so. Non ancora. Non l'ho cercato. Solfleri. For the one who knows, Livio is my cat. And in TBKS 3, there was the chance that in one of the songs, I was not only my celestial, my real life people, but also my pets. And my cat was there. I'm one of Sonics. I'm one of Sonics. I'm one of Sonics. Ah, no, this is not a Moon of Sonics. E sono ateo. E quando un ateo fa quel cazzo di segno della croce, vuol dire che è importante. Io. La piccola virgola che infatti it's a comment. The dog who died sometimes back, some years back. It's oi, Dio mio, don't let me remember this. Perché ti fai i capi? No, non mi faccio i capi, ti piace. La piccola virgolina. Ho una testa di cazzo. Amoons of Sonics. Amoon of Sonics. Ah! One of the other dog. One of the new dogs. Bed. And I mean, boring. And the other dogs. Oh my god. Oh, so fucking adorable. Useless. Oppress, Mac? Cazzo sì. No, poi non ci vado. Preparati te più... Beh, in realtà mi devo preparare anch'io. Quando vuoi più a te vieni da me. Anyways. Yes, you just got 3 leaks about the TBKS story. And, of course, people will say, ah, so this person made OCs based on their pets. I will do the same. And pretending that it is their own idea. But... Cioè, che sketch non mi so. Perfetto. Ottimo. Very good. Perfetto, Pio. Vederci pure io e poi ci si vede, Mary. Ma perché stiamo facendo ste cazzo di conversazioni quando ci siamo in live? Imbecilli, no scherzo. Vi voglio bene, ragazzi. Love you too. So yeah, you just got 3 leaks about TBKS 3. But now I will draw another character. I will draw another character. I'll try my best. It's gonna be a star, so stars are simpler. Usually. Tend to be usual. They're simpler. Still, wait, where did I just save this character? Ah, no, wrong collection. Oi oi. Ciao bello. Ciao Pia, fa un modo. Sì, ma perché saluto lì quando la telecamera è lì? Fa un modo Pia. Tanto ci si vede tra poco. Foundry of Creatorum. Foundry of Creatorum. And Amsico. Does not go there. Doesn't go there. Goes there. So let me open another page. Let's take yeah, I can just take Mendasium. Take Mendasium. Put it here and rename it Anubis. Wait, did I close it? Okay, did I close it? Okay, yes. Just to be sure. Okay. 2 words about Mendasio. Mendasio was supposed. Well, the Mendasio system was supposed to appear in TBKDX too, but it didn't. It's just frustrating. Did I lost something? No, I didn't. I didn't lost anything. Yeah, well, true, a bit of the lore was. Yes, I did it. I lost the story, but who fuck? No, not the story. The rap battles, but who fucking cares? I don't care. Again, I made the. Sì, Mendasium. Ti ricordo che Mendasio vuol dire in latino falsità, una roba del genere. Ed è la fidanzata, it is the Dragon Soul girlfriend, but spicy. I still have to draw to, not to draw, to write the lore. Non mi piace più. Fantastico. Amazing Spider-Man. Right, let's resize this. Non mi piace più, fantastic. Alright, and now it's time to every fire is spell or is object drops. Okay. Anubis. Some words about this character. Is gonna be the oldest characters of TBKS. It might be. It may be, it may be not. But probably the oldest star in there. The problem, as you might guess as the name, is Anubis. Let's see what I can do. I don't know, Mary. I honestly don't know. That's what I asked it honestly some moment back. Ah, shoot. too much blue. Wait, who's bluer? Oh, let's skip this way. Say, oh, but all stars are the same.
Uè,
Ah, Dio santo.
Dio santo, cosa Dio santo?
Ah no, ho preso l'infarto, ho detto, chi è sta voce? Ciao, caro, sono in diretta. Non probabilmente l'hai
Ah,
visto.
oh, sorry.
No, no, tranquillo.
Non sapevo.
No, 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 non ti preoccupare.
Mi sono appena tornato anch'io.
Oh, bravo, bravo.
Beh, una bella mangiata, una bella bevuta.
Ha fatto bene.
Oh, tesoro mio, buon San Valentino,
Ah, buon San Valentino anche a te, carissimo. Ho preso di me, ho detto, sento una voce femminile, ho detto, chi è? Boh, ho detto, fa vedere. Vedo Ferguson. Ah, ok. Saluta YouTube Italia, YouTube internazionale a sto punto.
Hello.
Phoenix is here.
Che live stai facendo?
Ah, stavo disegnando corpi celesti per il bot. Tanto però finivo questo, ma a parte mi sa che non ho tempo perché ora devo andare. Quindi finivo
Perché
là.
devi andare?
Vado al Mac con gli amici mia.
Ah, sei diventata un'altra sponda.
Eh,
Non va bene.
no, vabbè, una volta ogni tanto, su, dai.
Bravo, hai confermato che sei proprio.
No, non è vero! Non è vero!
L'hai confermato.
No, non l'ho detto questa, never say that.
Sì, c'è nella live, quindi...
Merda! Non sono
Che cazzo mi sono fatto quelle bevute, porca puttana.
Non ci morire.
No, sono a casa per fortuna.
Ah, bravo, bravo. Cazzo.
Ma perché non ti vedo che sei in live su YouTube?
Eh?
Perché non vedo che sei in live su YouTube?
Su YouTube è perché non ho un canale Twitch, non ci voglio farmi doppi canali. Cioè, faccio tutto.
No, dico su YouTube.
Ah, da quanto? No, non ho capito.
Ho detto non ti ci vedo su YouTube stai facendo la live.
Da un po', tipo un'oretta e mezzo, due, tipo, sì. O quasi
Ah, ecco,
due.
trovato.
Che bestia che sei. Non hai nemmeno fatto gli auguri. Io non... No, c'è Mary che scrive. Parla con te.
La mia è di non rompere i coglioni.
Mai sentito. Ah, dato che ci siete tutte e due in live ora, pianifico la carta vostra del Dex, nel Dex. Così ci metto la firma.
No. Guarda, ha finito di rompere i coglioni. Mica l'ho scritto anche che sono a casa, non lo so io.
Quindi hanno visto tipo l'occhio allungato.
È il mio cane quello.
Esatto!
Quello che non è una bestemmia.
No, lo so, ma io l'ho sempre detto che gli egiziani hanno inventato le bestemmie.
Eh,
Devo fare qualcosa di...
non ti chiamo. Beh, perché cazzo non mi chiamo?
Figata comunque.
Buonasera, che è
Oh, è
questo?
biga, le biga.
Ah, Biga! Andiamo a giocare a Rocket, Biga.
Ma ora vengono a casa mia loro, non so che possono.
Perché il Tirchio Edo non l'ha mandata.
Ma come
Ah,
non
perché
l'ho? Non lo sai
non
che...
l'hai mandato?
Ma come no? È YouTube che non le...
Ah, ho capito io perché ho perduto, perché ho detto una frase oggi che veramente...
Oddio.
Perché ieri facciamo 5 e 7 oggi.
Fico, fico.
Biga. E l'ho detto, ma siamo soltanto migliori amici.
E lei si è triggerata.
Sì,
Giusto.
molto.
Ah, pff.
E me la farà pagare.
Oh merda.
Vabbè, mica non importa, che cazzo ne frega se fa qualcosa. Anche io lo fa schifo a Rocket.
Non è vero!
E dove è un muffin?
Vuoi?
Un muffin?
No, grazie.
Oh, comunque manca una donna di San Valentino, seriamente.
Che hai fatto te?
Manca una donna di San Valentino a te, porca troia.
Ehi, sono single.
Vabbè, ti trovi una polastrella, che cacchio è?
Poi la trovo. Con calma. Tanto c'è tempo.
Mm. A 30 anni, mica tutti scopriremo che Edo si sta per sposare.
Palese, sì. Vabbè.
Ora
Oh.
avrai 30 anni te, eh?
Ehi. Sembra un po' presto.
E che stai disegnando lì?
Una stella. Solo che tipo si chiama Anubis. Sto però dopo pensavo, ma la faccio femmina? Anche se è il dio cane. Non lo so.
Ma è maschio.
Appunto, è questo il problema. Prima che non le so disegnare questi tipo di occhi. Cioè, oddio. Vediamo un po'. Aspetta. C'è già una reference.
No. Oh, ma te ne stai zitta te, porca madonna.
Oddio.
Madonna mia. Devi spifferare tutto, guarda ste.
Allora, perché c'ha l'occhio che fa tipo così. Ok. E poi si allunga.
Ma perché non cerchi esattamente l'immagine dell'occhio di Anubi che fai prima?
No, vabbè, perché comunque non è che vuoi farlo copia a copia, vuoi comunque un po' perfezionarlo a modo mio.
Vabbè, vabbè, ma almeno lo vedi come è fatto direttamente, perché così da un'immagine così non è che si capisce tanto.
Mmm. Posso?
Ecco.
Non sei nudo, eh? Non sei nudo. Sei da... Sì. Ok.
Ecco, vedi, già cambia,
Mhm.
le cose, da come lo stai facendo te.
Ok, già è più interessante.
Minchia.
Non lo farà proprio uguale uguale, però insomma. Mm.
E dopo quando vieni a Genova,
E poi vengo, non ti preoccupare.
così ci facciamo una bella bevuta assieme. Oh,
Interessante.
ma cazzo di merda. Per le vacanze di quest'estate che cacchio famo? Hai trovato qualcosa di interessante?
Non... Sto ancora cercando, sinceramente. Sto ancora cercando. Sto informando.
Che mannaggia la miseria perché non ci voglio stare a casa quest'estate.
No, immagino, immagino, neanche io vorrei rimanere a casa.
Muovi il Facebook al commento, ma posso venire anch'io? Vabbè, sì.
No, ha direttamente scritto raga conosco un posto.
Già che lei conosce un posto, c'ho già paura.
Messi bene.
Sì.
Facciamo così e basta, vai. Posto. Mettiamo la base del tracciato.
Eh, va, te pareva.
Ah.
Già che sono quattro femmine in una stanza.
Mm. A particolare.
Sì, è un po' particolare. Allora, mica cazzo mi è venuto come non so cosa. Cazzo. Ecco, già più o meno, diciamo, ci sei già con
Sì,
l'occhio,
sì, 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 sì.
Porca troia. Prima non so che cacchio stavi facendo, porca puttana che sembrava... minchia, oh.
Ora è già più interessante la situazione.
Eh. Minchia, devo arrivare io a dirti le robe, no? Minchia,
Forse.
forse.
Però non vuoi fare solo quest'occhio semplice. Cioè, è
Sai
già...
che ma Biga
Ah.
è sparito? Biga, ci sei?
Biga mi sa che è già andato a casa... cioè, sta andando a casa mia, tipo. Perché tra un po' li vedo, quindi ora vado, direi. Finisco questo personaggio e vado.
Vai, oh, mi raccomando, Stato
Certo.
buono, non lo dico qua su YouTube, ma capiscimi.
Beh, sì, 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 capito, capito, capito.
Ecco, ecco. Magari riduce un po' quella cosa lì, farà un po' più...
Questa... Il dettaglio.
No, la freccia dall'altra parte. Sì, quello.
Sì, il dettaglio, ok, sì. Questa freccia, ok. Più come? Più...
Ecco, già così va meglio.
Ok, ok. Ok, e questo direi di renderlo tipo così. Fammi salvare nel dubbio.
Però comunque potevi fare anche il dettaglio che c'ha sotto. Porca troia.
Sotto...
Tipo,
non lo voglio fare troppo uguale,
non quella lunga, ma quell'altra piccola, mi
Ok.
riferisco. Così almeno sei più o meno
Sì,
simile.
sì, 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 sì. Che questa la faccio più tipo così. Però comunque viene la bestia di occhio, eh.
E bevi, è l'occhio di Anubi.
Ho capito però.
Quindi,
Ma non lo faccio uguale, ma faccio qualcosa di
ah,
simile.
mica per forza deve essere uguale.
No, infatti, faccio qualcosa di così tipo... magari un po' meno storpioso.
Ma chi ti dà queste idee? Scusami, nessuno.
Lo faccio io un po' a caso per vedere cosa succede.
Ecco, già così va bene. Se
Ok,
fai un po' con la sopra, un po' più... Ok, così. È perfetto.
così.
Perfetto così. Sì.
Sì, 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 sì. Dicevo di aggiungere questo qua, facevo il filtro, mettevo sfocatura, mettevo così. Mm,
Però sarebbe bello farlo unire alla curva che c'è in quella postura lì, eh? Il
quale?
segno che hai fatto. Il segno che hai fatto adesso,
Sì?
no? Di farlo allineare con la curva che c'è lì all'inizio.
Ah, di renderlo preciso.
Esatto.
Tipo
Così almeno è come se fosse un'unica sola.
ok, ok. Aspetta, vediamo questo.
Vediamo come viene. Vediamo se la mia idea funziona.
Così.
Vediamo, vediamo. Ok. Come ti sembra a te? A me dalla live sembra...
Se sì, no, è bellino, è bellino. Cercavo un attimo ora di risistemare la punta qua. Già più così, un po' meglio.
Ma solo che cacchio è? Models. Che cazzo è questo?
Uno nuovo. Hi, Modex, you're back. I mean, I never left. That's... I never left. No, questo dettaglio mi intriga. Cioè, non devo trovare un altro modo per farlo un po' meglio. No, un po' cosa riesco a fare così. Eh, eh. Uh. Si prova a fare invece così. Vediamo un po'. Cos... Ah, questo così. Ok.
Che cosa stai facendo?
Qualcosa di gustoso. Perché è strano qua, perché non è più... Ok, aspetta, forse... cioè, ci sono arrivato. Oh, vai, e più così. Oh, vai.
Mm,
Mm.
E posso dire che stava meglio come era prima?
Eh?
Stava meglio come era prima.
Dici?
Sì, stava molto meglio come era prima.
Ah, a me piace più così però, sinceramente.
Oh, tutto dico mio. ti do i miei pareri.
Certo, assolutamente. Oh, vai.
Tanto sono che sono il più vecchio del server,
Ah,
ormai.
sì, sì, questo è... No! Ho trovato qualcuno più vecchio di te.
E che cazzo è?
È Fire Tower, una
E, qua- e
cinese.
quanti, e quanti anni ha, scusa?
Stesso anno, a 26 anni, però è nata a gennaio. Che...
Vabbè, è uguale come me, è vecchia come me.
Esatto.
Minchia. Allora, però comunque sono io più il vecchio del server.
Perfetto. No, sì, vabbè, per storia, giustamente, certo.
Per storia tutto sono io.
Certo, no, infatti. Nessuno ti batte. Ora, allora, bellissimo quest'occhio, sinceramente. Solo che ho un piccolo problema ora. Devo farlo riflesso e ovviamente devo ridimensionarlo, ritagliarlo e quindi, cioè non ritagliarlo, però insomma ridimensionarlo e quindi verrà forse un po' male. Quindi vediamo un po' se facendo tutto così. No. Questo ok. Facciamo. Mi trigger. Ok. No, la maschera la tengo così perché
Mi sembra strano che c'è già un'altra che è della mia stessa età nel tuo server.
cosa?
Ma sei sempre in
Già è
bagno?
strano che
Sì, ho così fatto.
vedo una che ha la mia stessa età
Mhm.
ed è nel tuo server.
Ci sta.
Ma questo qui l'ha fatto levare te?
No, non lo so dove la.
Sera signora?
Perché da quegli occhi sembra tipo un coso?
Se- Mica cacchio sembra... Boh, non so. Non so che cazzo sembra, sai?
Non lo so, sembra c'ha abbia denti da ragno, boh. Però mi piace. Aspetta, magari aggiungo la bocca.
Con la bocca come vedi? Vediamo con la bocca com'è.
Eh, aspetta che... Aspetta, se questi magari è perché danno un po' troppo un parecchio peso, non è che tipo
Sì.
li metto
Magari
a tracciato,
rimpiccioli...
li metto a tracciato anziché
Oppure provare a rimpicciolirli ancora un pochino.
a dici.
Sì.
Vabbè, oddio, basta far così effettivamente, ma senza riformarlo.
Lui non ti guarda, ti giudica e tira fuori pure i segreti più profondi. Ma di chi
Sì,
stai parlando qua? Di
vero.
me? Tutti i segreti profondi dietro li conosco soltanto io, quindi.
Ok, ho già qualcosa di più mm, in particolare.
Però così sembra il naso, comunque.
No, senza, anzi, senza bocca, è più mistico.
E beh, che la grammatica portami via proprio. palo. Minchia, se palo muoio. Minchia, parlo, non palo. Mm. La grammatica proprio portami via. La grammatica è un'opinione, per Marica.
Vabbè, capita. Lo ho un po' per tutti in questo periodo.
Non per me. Non mi chiamare col mio nome. Ma se il tuo nome, che cacchio vuoi?
Effettivamente.
Non mi
Ecco.
pizzica. Dai, ci sta. O forse... mm,
Magari il coso lo faccio bianco, fa vedere come viene. Se faccio...
bello il Warlock così, uno bianco, uno nero.
Ah, sì? Ah, oddio, effettivamente, vediamo un po'. Ok, 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 mentre ci siamo, abbiamo ispirato, abbiamo trovato qualcosa, vai.
Minchia, bello, perché sai com'è? Anubi può decidere sia la morte sia la... Non so se può decidere anche se va anche che
Boh,
non
io
va.
pensavo fosse solo il dio della morte e basta, però.
Lui è il dio della morte, però devo vedere tutta la mitologia. Minchia.
Ok.
Minchia, sì,
Ah, allora visto che ho fatto qua i dettagli, allora qua mi prendo la briga di fare qualche altro dettaglio secondario.
minchia, così però è comunque bello.
Ah, ah, aspetta, no, ma proprio così.
Ma i tuoi amici vengano?
Sì, vengono, ma ora
Quanti
vado.
sono?
Proprio queste sfumature, cioè non sfumature, ma proprio tratti così.
Così sì, ci sta. Però se lo fai sotto lo devi fare anche sopra.
No, no, solo sotto. E qua di qua lo metto da, faccio in maniera un po' diversa. Così. E voilà. E qua lo metto ovviamente più scuro. Niente, sistemo un attimo, ora io aggiusto le curve. Ok.
Quasi quasi non ci vuole in discoteca, sai.
Ah,
Vanno a rimorchiare, vanno.
oh, bravo. Eccolo qua. Che ne pensi?
Allora, diciamo che ci potrebbe stare, però secondo me i dettagli, quel che ti ho detto di fare sotto gli occhi, di farli un pochino un po' più piccoli.
Ancora più piccolo, ok.
Sì, perché così grossi sembra anche danno troppo nell'occhio.
Ok. Però a sto punto li metto qua vicino.
Esatto. Sì, così, 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 così. Prova a unirli proprio sopra, sopra.
Ah! Ah,
Prova a
proprio,
unirli direttamente.
proprio così. Cioè più.
No, vai in su.
No, è perché sennò. Aspetta, ti faccio condividere lo schermo perché sennò se si guarda la live e c'è mezz'ora di ritardo e non capisco.
Ok, aspetta.
Ok.
Non diremo sempre. Allora, tipo adesso come ce le hai, no?
Sì. Sono così.
Prova, ok, prova a metterli un po' più su, ma tu praticamente vai ancora più su, continua così, su, su, su.
Così.
Ecco, così, così,
Ah, ok. Allora aspetta.
così.
Mo bestemmio. Oddio. Perché c'ho il coso al pixel e quindi là è un problema. Ah, si può fare, si può fare. Ok.
Vediamo se mi viene bene l'idea.
C'hanno due colori diversi? Sì, cazzo. Oh merda. Quindi così.
Sì,
Aspetta che prima voglio capire che
esatto.
cazzo di colore è qui. Ok. E poi lo coloro.
Cosa cosa? Vado in disco, faccio prima. Vado a rimorchiare di San Valentino.
Ah! Perché Illustrator mi dice che hanno lo stesso colore ma sono colori diversi? Ok. Va bene. Sono due colori diversi.
E così dovrebbe andare un po' meglio.
Mhm.
Poi dimmi te, io ti
No,
posso ti do
in
dei
realtà è
consigli.
carina, solo che ho un problema. Lo vedi che qua sono colori diversi?
Sì,
Eh. Illustrator mi dice che sono uguali.
ma
Ah! Ora sono uguali. Cioè, lo erano anche prima, ma perché c'era il tipo 4% di trasparenza. E quindi ora mi tocca fare lo stesso di qua. No,
sì.
così. Così. Iniziamo piccolino così. Allora, tanto è un 7,20, quindi nel senso, qui siamo già a belli belli in alto. Cioè, questo è un 100% per chiarirci, quindi penso sia, possiamo dire, sì, è preciso. Vai più piccolino, oh vai, così. Più
Poi
rotato.
dimmi te come ti sembra, perché
Allora,
io...
devo essere sincero,
Sì, sì,
ci
tanto me ne
sta,
frego.
ci sta, ci sta, così ci sta.
Poi se c'è qualcosa che non ti va bene, puoi cambiare, tanto io ti
Ah
sto
sì.
ascoltando dicendo le idee.
Ah. Perché deve apparire come quasi mistico sta stella, che poi è anche grossa. È
Più
molto
grossa
grossa.
della mia?
Sì, parecchio più grossa della tua. Parecchio.
Non va bene allora.
Stio dire.
E il più grosso sono io.
Sì, ma ti faccio una stella a riguardo. Sei già corpo celeste, sei una nana bruna, non è una stella. Se si faccio una stella, Wolf Riot. Che neanche, perché poi dipende da un sacco di cose. Non ci voglio spiegare. Troppo. Troppo lungo.
Troppo.
Però sì, sì, sì. Sei già importante come ti ho fatto, per cui non ti preoccupare. E poi vabbè, lasciamo stare questi dettagli dell'icona stelle. No, ho eliminato tutto tranne quello che mi serviva. Fico. Tanto l'opera principale l'ho fatta. Io vado, direi. Chiudo la live ora.
Ah, boh.
Tanto ci si vede quando ci si... Te ci sei stasera, sul tardi.
Sì, 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 sì.
Va bene, allora vedo di esserci anche se riesco.
Mm.
Va bene, ciao bello.
Ciao.
Alright folks, thanks for the finish, for Phoenix. Grazie che addio. Ringraziamo Phoenix che abbia partecipato alla live, mi ha fatto anche paura, però fantastico, direi, ci siamo. I drove Anubis. You might gonna say, oh, it's pretty simple. Well, even the most simple design might hide complex personalities. And this character is gonna be one of the oldest characters of TBKS. I won't tell you how much old is it because I might ruin the surprise. He is old. He is very old. And despite not still being mentioned, he solves stuff. He solves a lot of stuff. Is he older than Eddie? Maybe. Well, thanks guys for remaining up to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the live stream, the video with all of your friends. And thanks for staying up to this moment. We appreciate all your support. And let me know if you want more live stream like that, because I would like to do that. But if not, we can just do gameplays and move on, because this channel has a lot of stuff, and I'm sure eventually people are gonna love them. All right, very good. I don't have anything else to say other than thanks a lot, and like I said before, TBKS will continue here in the spot. But hey, at least it's a more original and unique way to tell a story. I mean, guys, you have everything. You have the lore, you have the character design, you have information about the characters. What do you want more? What do you want to know about that? I don't know. But you're gonna love them. And also in my website, also in my store. Important. I know people will love them, but if you will see this part, basically as a news collection here, I had the new elements on the online shop, which is the new collection of the Berserk Showdown. And as you can see, there are all the OST, the official soundtrack of TBKS. Right here on my website for free. You can download them, take them. You don't need to put anything, like you don't need to put like you just see. I would like to download, I don't know, initial programs at 8 tones. I just click here, I add to the cart, check out. Your order is free, no payment required. You just put the email, your information, send a feedback if you want. Bim bam bam, plug it in, download it. Easy. Nothing else, nothing more. That's it. Alright. And also about my website, because on my actual original website, you can see every lore. Now we'll cook step by step every section. You can read it now. Several edition is available. It's a long story. Have fun reading it. Well, now actually I will go now. So, see ya there. See you eventually.